Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently purchased a used 3D printer, and I decided to put it to good use, other than just printing cool things like the Han Solo blaster that I've already printed. I decided I'm going to print some face shields. I'm going to send a few to my family in Oklahoma, but the rest of them I'm going to donate to medical professionals in the area in New Jersey and New York. To do this, I'm going to use the 3D printed shield holder and lamination sheets for the face shield. And the lamination sheets, and you just run them through a laminator to get them clear, and then with this face shield you just slip them in. While working with this face shield, I realized that they're not exactly that easy to do. Once you print them up, you have to cut open the slit. This is a design that you can use the lamination sheets without punching holes in them to attach them, because they slip in through the slit in the design. Unfortunately, my printer isn't able to print them properly, so I'm having to cut them open, and I'm finding that I'm actually losing more between printer errors and them not cutting well than I am having successful ones. So as a result, I switched over to a new design that I found online. And what makes this design cool is all you need are the clear sheets and a punch. You don't need rubber bands or elastic. These are things that are in high demand right now because a lot of people are making these. So they're both pretty easy to use. This one, you just slip right over your head and you're done. It's a little loose on me right now, so I would probably want to put a rubber band back there. But it works. See, I can move around, shake my head, it's not coming off, even though there's a little bit of movement in there. Unlike this one, which you might need a rubber band for, this one, no matter your head size, it's going to stay tight. All you do is pull it back, push it down, and you got it on. It stays tight. Protect your face, you know, people coughing, spitting, and you're good. It's comfortable. See how it kind of folds over your head, and it's a nice thing. You slip it in there, punch it, just like that, and then slip that in there. I'll slip that in there first. It's hard to do at this angle. Then slip that in there, and then pull this up. Slip that in there, and you have a firm fit. Nice one. And you'll want to cut the corners as well, like this one. Make it easier to turn and stuff. Another change I'm making is, instead of using these transparency sheets, which are 3 mil thick, and they tend to be a little warped and cause light refraction, which can interfere with your vision a bit more. I found these on Amazon. The lamination sheets are 0.3 millimeter and these are 0.7 millimeter, so they're thicker, and I got quite a few of them. But just like elastic and a lot of other things right now, they're in short supply. So if you have lamination sheets, they work, and they work for both of them. And you can actually see out of it a lot better. There's a lot less refraction in it than this one. This one I get a lot of glare, a lot of refraction. Just I mean, you can still see out of it really well enough to do your job, but it's not as good. But again, if all you have is the lamination sheets, clear lamination sheets, they do the job. So if you have a 3D printer and you have access to lamination sheets, or you know somebody that does, please print some of these. I'm posting the link down below. I am sending some of these and some of both of them to my family in Oklahoma, and then the rest of them I'm going to be donating, and I'm going to keep printing them and keep donating them. I've switched over to this design, so this is a design I'm going to primarily be donating. These, I believe I have 12 of them, and yeah, I'll be sending a couple of them to Oklahoma, but most of these I'll be donating as well. But I'm not going to be donating them with laminated sheets. I'm going to be donating them with the thick 7 millimeter sheets. So, yeah. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. And have a great day. Bye.